Here's the thing that I didn't know. This was the biggest mistake I made as far as my fitness when trying to lose weight and get back in shape as a 58-year-old woman. I would exercise. I would do it a couple of times a week or 3 times a week, and I would do 20 minutes, and then I might do a 30-minute intense workout. The biggest mistake I was making while I was trying to lose weight and get fit for that entire decade of my 50s before I was able to get it right was this intermittent exercise, this thing I would do where I was exercising so hard and I was working at it so hard, and I was diligent in doing that 2 to 3 times a week, but it wasn't the right kind of exercise, and it wasn't the length that I needed, and it wasn't every day. I wasn't doing it every day because honestly, I hate exercise. I don't know about you. I don't like it. That was my problem. And I didn't realize that that was the one thing that if I changed, my entire body would change. And it has. Doing 1 hour of exercise every day was the key, along with eating good calories that were high in protein and no alcohol, no bread, no simple carbs. That was how I lost weight. Even to this day, if I cook good foods and I do not get the 1 hour of exercise a day, and I'm not talking about intense exercise, I am talking about sitting on a static bike in my home. If I do that every day, I stay lean. If I stop, if I don't do that every day, within 2 weeks, I start to gain body fat. I gain it in my back and in my bra and in my hips and in my thighs. I get tight around the waist in my pants. My bra gets uncomfortable and tight. I get a lot of back fat. Guys, my whole body changes. And it's amazing how just 2 weeks of starting and 2 weeks of stopping changes everything for me. And if you doubt it, I challenge you to do the same thing. Now, many people will go on a walk. It's this kind of walking where you're bringing your arms up like this and you're really walking at a pace. And if you can't walk fast, just walk slow like this, but walk for 1 hour from start to finish. I challenge you to do it. How long did I do it? 70 days, 10 weeks is what I did. And I do miss days. Some days I work very late and I come home and I'm thinking, I just cannot do it, or I will give myself a break day. But 8 days out of 10, I am doing it. And that's kind of the rule I live by, this 80-20 rule. I use it with food, I use it with exercise. It's just realizing that if you want to be healthy, if you want to maintain the hard work that you did, you have to be right at least 8 times out of 10. You have to do the right things to maintain your good health. And so I've learned through trial and error over the last 3 years that if I ride my bike for 1 hour, 8 out of 10 days, and I just keep doing that, then I'm able to stay on track. I will tell you, it is very hard to make change in your life, but it's simple. If you just commit to it and put structure around it, if you plan that every day, for me, I would come home right after work, change my clothes, and go sit on the bike. Turn on TikTok, turn on YouTube. You can binge my channel. I turn on a show I like, and I just sit there and I grind it out. And I don't have to go very fast. Just doing the 1 hour, get it done, check it off. And the more you do that, the more you make it happen in your day, the more you do that, the more it becomes just like waking up and brushing your teeth or doing skincare before you go to bed. If you know when you're going to do that 1 hour every day and you do it and it becomes a must-do, something you do not compromise or reschedule, you will be so glad you did it. It will change your life. It will change your health. It will change your vitality. It will change your mobility, your stability, your strength. I encourage you to do it. Let me know if you try it. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.